In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can retrieve your WhatsApp chat history here on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, if it does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up WhatsApp, and in the bottom of your screen, go ahead and select settings and scroll down a little bit until you see the storage and data option right here. Select on that to open it up and then open up manage storage. And in this option, you'll be able to see all of your saved chats, all of those saved messages, and all of those photos and media. Scroll through each of your chats to see if any messages or media are still stored on your device. Whenever you're done, back out of this option again and go to the chats tab, and from here select chat backup. This is going to show you when your last backup was, including the backup size. Just confirm that your chats are backed up to iCloud, and if your messages were backed up before being deleted, they still can be recovered. Back out to this section, select export chat, and then choose whatever conversation you're trying to see, and then from here you can go ahead and export it with or without media. This is super useful if you want to save or recover a specific chat. Now the best and final option is requesting your WhatsApp account information, so back out of the chat section right here, select account, and then go ahead and select request account info. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this, and up at the top right below account information you're going to see a section where you can go ahead and request your data. It'll take a few days, but this request can include chat related data, account activity, and message history tied to your account. Just keep in mind, if the messages were deleted before your last iCloud backup, they may not be recoverable because WhatsApp can only restore messages that were included in a backup. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.